Well, hey there, friend. Pull up a chair, because I want to tell you about something special. You ever notice how most practice apps are built for everybody? Piano players, guitar pickers, fiddle folks, drummers. Now, my granddaddy used to say, if you try to please everybody, you end up pleasing nobody. And that right there is the trouble with most practice apps. But Trumpet Studio, Practice Hub, this one's different. This app was built for one instrument and one instrument only, the trumpet. Built by Michael Droste, that's Droste, a trumpet player and teacher with more than 50 years behind the horn. 50 years. That's a whole lot of long tones, y'all. Now listen to what's packed inside. A full animated trumpet fingering chart, a library of trumpet method books and etudes, curated repertoire, audition preparation, and get this, 37 professionally remastered blues play-along tracks. 37. You could play the blues every night for a month and still have leftovers. Then there's the practice room. Recording, a metronome, a practice timer, practice scheduler. Everything a trumpet player actually needs, right there when it's time to practice. And here's where it all starts working together. Open up your practice music, and the practice bar stays right there with you, giving you quick access to your metronome, practice timer, and recording without ever leaving the music. You can record yourself practicing right along with the music on the screen. Listen back and hear what's working, and what might need another trip through the woodshed. And those 37 blues tracks, you don't just listen to them. Play along, record yourself playing the blues, slow the tracks down when you're learning, or speed them up when you're ready. You can even change the speed of your own recordings, your music, your tools, your recordings, all in one place. Now, I know what some of y'all are thinking. Hold on now. Where's the tuner? Well, there ain't one. And that's on purpose. Trumpet Studio follows an old-school Chicago philosophy shaped by the great brass tradition of players and teachers like Arnold Jacobs and Adolf Herseth. Don't spend your life staring at a needle. Learn to listen. A tuner can show you where a note is, but your ears teach you where it belongs, because music doesn't live on a little meter. Music lives in your ears. That's not a missing feature. That's a philosophy. And here's the sweetest part. No ads and no account. No subscription. Lord have mercy. No subscription. You buy a Trumpet Studio Practice Hub once and it's yours. Your recordings stay right there on your device, private as a family recipe. And one purchase gives you Trumpet Studio Practice Hub on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Trumpet Studio Practice Hub. Built for trumpet. Not for everyone. You get it today on the App Store and tell them the Trumpet sent you. Now go practice, y'all.